Next up is probably going to be
Alright, it's going to be a microphone test. We'll just talk about what I just ordered for my bike. I just ordered it last night. We'll see how quick it comes. Oh, I really want to get on the highway before I talk about it. Okay, this would be a good spot to test out my mic. If it works right here or not. Basically, I ordered a fairing, a Road Warrior Memphis Shades fairing. I got the 15-inch size windshield. Hope it's not going to be too tall, but from what I read, that should be good, because people that got the 13-inch complain that on highways they get wind buffeting. And I don't want to have to be dealing with that, because I am going to be going on a trip here soon to California. It's well over 1,000 miles. I'm not going to do it in one day, though. I'm going to break it up into, I want to say 3 days, but who knows. Alright, microphone test right here. Going about 50 miles an hour. Damn, too bad there's traffic. I should just call it. I'm gonna have to do this tomorrow. I can't go above 50 miles an hour with all this traffic. That's alright. We'll see how the mic did right now. Yeah, fuck it. We'll just do it. We're already here. We're already in the middle of it. Okay, so I saw the audio was still shit, so I took drastic measures. You can't even well, I mean, you could tell obviously if you look close, but I put some black duct tape over these vents, because in another video I saw it wasn't even how to improve audio quality on the GoPro. It was actually a review on this stupid ass Ruroc helmet. And one guy said, yeah, the road noise is considerable on this helmet. And what he does is he just puts some duct tape over those vents. So fuck it. If it improves by doing this, I'm just gonna leave it. considerable. We're going like 70 right here, so see how it sounds. People are starting to get off work, or I need to wrap this up. Oh yeah, you may notice too, I was able to get my sissy bar on there. I put some more spacers, so the bags are actually out even further now. To me, it doesn't look that bad. I don't care. When I'm riding on the bike, it's not like I'm really looking back there anyway, so I don't care. Function over fashion. Because with the sissy bar, I'm able to put my sissy bar bag, and I can really take a bunch of crap with me. Man, this sucks. Oh, hell yeah, there's a car behind me. Praise Jesus. Alright, let's get a little speed right here. Talk about the Memphis shade bearing. Yeah, the Memphis shade bearing, I'm a little worried on how it's going to look. I know I had a JD custom fairing on my last bike, and that looked killer. I love the way that looked. But it was almost like twice as expensive. And this one is quick detached too, the Memphis shade. So I don't understand how it's cheaper and it's quick detached. Maybe it's because I bought that one such a long time ago. I don't know. Man, I hope this fixes the audio. This crap that I did. My helmet kind of looks stupid now, but fuck it. Just like the bags being spaced out more, it's more of a functionality thing over any, because I need to be able to motovlog, man. That's what I bought the GoPro for. I'll get a picture of my bike with the sissy bar and the bags once I park it. So the solar people came today to my house and they did some inspection thing, I don't know. So it's almost turned on at this point. They still need to do one more. Actually, they don't need to do anything. The energy company needs to come out and do one more inspection. Alright, let's park this beast. Listen to the sound this thing makes when I turn it off because of that transmission cover. Well, to be honest, it always made that even when it was stock, so. But now it's much more prominent. But yeah, there it is with the sissy bar and the bags. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's see how this audio came out.